Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a solid mid-range beast, the Skytech Gaming Shadow Desktop PC, powered by the Intel Core i5-12400F and an NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the link in the description below to grab this PC at the best deal available right now. It's a great value for the performance you're getting. Now first off, let's talk design. The case is clean, modern, and comes with RGB fans pre-installed, which look great behind a tempered glass side panel. It's got that aggressive gaming aesthetic without going over the top, definitely setup friendly for a bedroom, dorm, or gaming den. Under the hood, you're getting the Intel Core i5-12400F, a 6-core, 12-thread CPU that offers fantastic performance in both gaming and multitasking. Pair that with the RTX 3060 Ti, and you've got a rig that'll comfortably push high frame rates in titles like Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite, Cyberpunk 2077, and Apex Legends on ultra settings, even at 1440p. Storage-wise, there's a super fast 1TB NVMe SSD, which means fast boot times, quick game loading, and plenty of room for your top-tier titles. Add 16GB of DDR4 RAM at 3200 MHz, and multitasking is smooth, no lag, no stutters, just clean performance across the board. You also get a 600 watts gold-rated PSU, so you're covered on power efficiency, and there's enough headroom for future GPU upgrades if you want to push further down the line. Networking is solid too, built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, plus Ethernet support if you're playing competitive online. Setup is plug and play. Windows 11 comes pre-installed, and all the drivers are ready out of the box. Whether you're a casual gamer, a student looking to stream and game, or someone upgrading from an older system, the Skytech Shadow offers great bang for your buck, reliable performance, and clean aesthetics, all without the headache of building your own. So if you're ready to level up your gaming experience, hit the link below to grab this one at today's best price while it's still in stock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what games you're planning to play on your new rig. Catch you in the next one, waving hand emoji.